everybody, it's a new 140 video. We got it running.
Is it a new video or is it the same video just later on in progress?
We'll figure that out later.
Video.
Yeah.
The first was like half built and then we just skipped everything else.
You betcha. All right, she's running. Really nice. Wheelies all the way. 1 through 4. No matter what. I'll race anyone on it. But right now, we're tying in the chain. Yeah, we're racing for pink slips now.
Show them the exhaust wrap.
Oh yeah.
Beautiful job.
Nice custom exhaust wrap. Hand wrapped. All fiberglass. My hands are all fucked up. Yeah, we got the rear brake working too. You need that sometimes, I guess.
It actually don't work.
Never mind.
It's more of a toe dragger.
Yeah. Crotch rocket clutch. Works flawlessly. The air filter doesn't fall off.
Music on the entire time.
That's why I'm talking so loud.
Whatever. You talk loud anyway.
Whoa!
God damn, Harley, hold the bike.
I got it.
Just kidding.
Oh wait, and then we got a 3-wheeler here. It's pretty cool. It's pretty loud too. Right now they're welding up the exhaust so it doesn't leak anymore. And there's this unit, I guess. Really just getting it. Remember to wear safety glasses, kids.
There's a lot of things happening over there. You're pushing the other side out.
Yeah. That's jump now.
I'm at that.
Yeah, that's gone.
Right now we're getting the chain tightened because it's loose because how much power this thing has.
Stretchable.
Probably outrun that Mustang right there. Oh yeah, then we got another race car. The Granada. It's this guy's car.
Oh, we can gap that
Unit?
fucker right now. You kids want to run him?
Dude.
Oh, we get the chain done!
We really gotta get that chain done now.
The kid's gonna be just putting along and Owen's going by like wheels.
Oh, I ain't scared to take down.
Man, I can't wait to gap these kids on foot.
I'll gap that motherfucker.
Or on them.
Hey, buddy.
Look at this guy.
That's my neighbor. That guy snuck up on me one day, scared that. Never living that guy like me.
Wow. Crazy fast. Can't even get traction because how fast she is. Whoa. Look at that. Look at those turning. I about died. Dude, this thing is just tearing ass.
control of this.
Give her some nice commentary.
I was gonna say, you gotta have the deep conversations.
Oh, I
It
will.
looks like it's pointed like straight down, but it's not.
This is our new unit. It's PW140. First trip. Yeah, about to go drag race this 3-wheeler. 110, he thinks he's got me. Oh, then he's got traction. I got horse ponies. He thinks I'm going right there. Alright, on me.
My ass.
Alright, on you. Man, Butino! Man! I was in that drag race right there. Does that mean he won? Alright. Need to fix that right there.
A little too much air?
Huh?
A little too much air?
Oh wait, this means I win.
Dang it. He beat me. First gear. You wanna go downhill? No, I don't wanna go downhill.
I do. Go.
I just caught a bug. You see that Danger Ranger? Everything's falling off my head. Oh. Oh. Man, I'm gonna have to tighten this thing up a little bit. Did not open up my eye. She might be out of fuel. Come on, baby. Definitely out of fuel. Oh, come on, baby. Come on. Oh, at least I made her back to the garage. I swear to God, this thing's so sick. Man, you guys just wish you could have one. We're the only ones. You guys can't even do it. Okay, just kidding. The 60 of you that watch these videos could probably definitely do it. Super simple. I think she's out of fuel.
Yeah, I was kind of surprised with that damn car.
Oh, not the hat! Drop the hat.
Forgot about the brake.
Yeah, there's no rear brake still. Baby.
It might. What was the top speed? That's just a spare.
Let's see top speed.
69.
I don't think so.
No, it looked like you were hauling ass.
54.
Not bad.
54.
You guess 55.
That's road legal.
Yep.
We can go down. We can go down.
Heat wrap's really.
55.
Or is it the plastic?
I think it's the heat wrap.
I think it
You
is
think it
too.
was topped out, or was it actually? Or was
Did you hear it?
when down the hill?
No.
Going up the hill, I went, da-da-da-da, fourth gear.
Yeah, I didn't hear it.
Hey, you want to get the GoPro on your forehead
Nah, I think she's had enough.
Yeah,
for now?
for today.
It's road ripping time.
Want to rip this unit on the road so fast. Oh yeah, look how fast it is. He better come cooking through here. You hear him?
Oh, baby.
Holy crap! Wow. Owen. Yeah. 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 Wow. Baby. It's like the yellow Suzuki that you've seen in some of our videos at Condemned Motorsports. Yeah, we're just acting. Whoa! Look at it! Holy crap! Oh, here's Will. Hi, Will. Oh shit. Oh brother. He's just hitting it, don't I? He's just cooking it. He's just cooking it. Baby, he's just, oh my God. Wow. Yeah. Whoa. See that airy guy? He's doing the course in reverse now. that thing had rear brakes, it would be cooking it. Oh my god. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Burnout. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Whoa.
Harley's first trip on the unit here. He's ripped it on the road, but not off-road here. He's sanding it for no rear brake. Bicycling over here. Oh, baby.